This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do your tax return yourself. First, understand that filing your own taxes in Canada is straightforward with the right tools. You'll need to collect all your income documents and receipts, then identify eligible deductions and credits. Using certified tax software can simplify the process, guiding you step by step to ensure accuracy and help you get the best possible outcome. It's a rewarding way to manage your finances. To begin, gather all your essential tax documents. Your employer provides T4 slips detailing employment income and deductions, usually by the end of February. For other income sources, such as pensions or scholarships, you'll receive T4A slips. Don't forget to collect receipts for registered retirement savings plan contributions and any eligible medical expenses, as these are crucial for claiming deductions. Having everything organized saves time and stress. Next, choose a Canada Revenue Agency, or CRA, certified tax software. Options like TurboTax or Wealthsimple Tax are popular and often offer free versions for simple returns. This software allows you to use NetFile, an electronic service to submit your return directly to the CRA online. Before you hit submit, always take time to thoroughly review your entire return for any potential errors or missed information. Accuracy is key for a smooth filing process. Many Canadians miss out on valuable deductions and credits. Remember to claim eligible expenses such as childcare costs, medical expenses, or professional dues. Contributions to a registered retirement savings plan, or RRSP, are also a powerful way to reduce your taxable income. These deductions can significantly lower the amount of tax you owe or increase your refund. Make sure to check the description for links to helpful resources and other great deals, including Little Tree's Black Ice air fresheners. Filing your taxes yourself empowers you to take control of your financial well-being.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.